For this craft, I'm going to use a couple of pieces that I picked up from Family Dollar, and I thought that I could come up with something for fall with this little mason jar sign. I'm going to take these stars off and the paper, and then with the welcome sign, I'm going to use the pumpkins. So I just took the paper off, used my little Cricut scraper tool, and peeled it all off nicely. I'm just going to leave the back alone, but I'm going to go ahead and paint that front part. And with the other sign, I picked this up at Family Dollar. Yeah, it's really cute, but I thought, well, I can get 3 crafts out of it probably. So I'm just going to go ahead and take those pumpkins off. It was $3, which it's not really bad. That's a pretty decent piece of board there. So I'm going to go ahead and take off those pumpkins. And they just, the little bows and the string just pop right off and just hot glued on top of that metal. It was, super easy to take apart. And I'm going to paint those. So they'll be put down here on the bottom of the little mason jar after they're painted. Just a cute little thing. So I'm going to use Waverly chalk paint, and I'm going to go ahead and cover that. I'm going to do 2 coats. And for the pumpkins, I'm going to use the terracotta in clay pot. This is Folk Art. Both Waverly and Folk Art are Plaid Crafts products. And I'm going to end up coating this with the Outdoor Mod Podge. I want to try it out. I'm going to cut a couple of words out of vinyl. I got some new mats. They are HTV Ron. I will link those in the description box below. But I'm going to use some vinyl to create some words. This video is part of Heidi Sonboul's Fall DIY Challenge. Check the description box for her link and the link to the playlist, and go check out all the videos. So here's what I've got. They're cut out of orange and red. I'm going to use the Elephant Waverly chalk paint for the top part. And I do have everything sealed up with that Outdoor Mod Podge to hopefully not peel off the paint whenever I pull my transfer tape. Yeah, I think it'll work okay. This was a pretty quick and easy little project. So yeah, it's coming off real nice. No problem. And this, I got that at the USA jar at Family Dollar, but I know they had them at Dollar Tree. It was only $1 at the time. So since those are painted, I'm just going to go ahead and hot glue them down. At the bottom, go ahead and speed through this a little bit. And to cover those holes, I will use the leftover raffia ribbon bows that were initially on it. No twine, but I just wanted to make sure that I can secure these down and they won't give me too much of a problem. I think it's turning out cute. Yeah, I used my heat gun to pull apart the twine from the glue on the back. Nothing major, pretty easy. And just glue them right back down on top of those holes. And there's that. So the next thing I want to do, I was going to use the buffalo check, but then I remembered I have this super cute burlap polka dot ribbon. I want to use that to make a little bow, and I'll make a little swag out of some picks that I did pick up from the Dollar Tree. And I'll just use a bread twisty or twist tie to put them all together. I always have those in my junk drawer, so I might as well use them. And gluing the bow down and using the string that was already there, I'm just feeding it back through the holes so I can hang it back up. Super easy. Might as well just use what I got. And that's how it looks finished. I'm gonna go hang it up on my door. It's so cute. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Spread the YouTube goodness throughout the rest of the playlist. That link is in my description box below. I hope you guys have a great weekend. Take care, y'all. Bye.